Amidst the chaos and conflict in various parts of the world, millions of people are fleeing their homes in search of safety and a better life. Among them, women refugees having the worsened situations because there are often less education opportunity, lack of suitable skill sets, relatively weaker physical ability than men refugees, and also facing the sexism from the society. There are always people to help. The help can be in form of cash, resources, workshop, and there are many fundraising posts and platforms online. However, people can't really know, does their donation is being well utilized? Does it really go to the parties that need help? Does the information given really trustable? Here, Eloes come to help. The name Eloes comes from the Greek word which translates to mercy or compassion in English. In ancient Greek mythology, Eloes was also the name of goddess of mercy and pity, which means our platform values compassion, empathy, and kindness in its operations. The name may also evoke a sense of generosity and giving back, as the concept of charity is often associated with the idea of helping those in need. Here, Eloes come to help. The name Eloes is a blockchain-based education donation tracking system. It is a donation platform which aims to support multiple SDGs simultaneously. The SDG including SDG 1, no poverty, SDG 2, zero hunger for meeting the basic needs of refugees, SDG 10, reduce inequalities, and SDG 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions, and ensuring that refugees receive fair and equal treatment. All these SDGs are interconnected and essential for creating a better future for the refugee and the world.
Here comes the Eloes prototype. Strict identity identification has been applied in Eloes. Every user needs to upload their IC or password to verify their identity. This is to make sure no fake account has been created in Eloes. User can choose to be a fundraiser or a donor or have both identity at the same time. Eloes has user-friendly design. It was targeted for the donation for refugee. However, there are still different categories provided in the app, like educational workshop donation, medics, or foods for refugee. Besides, to protect the benefit of donor, the donor can report the fundraising page if they suspect the page are fake. But to protect the benefit of the fundraiser, the donor will need to submit the evidence for every appeal. Before donating, the donor can also click inside the donation detail page to see the donation details like how much is the goal, how many amount is left to achieve the donation goal, and who is the company of the fundraiser. There are two categories of donation, which is monetary and item donation like clothes and shoes. For item donation, donor can locate a donation site or choose to request a pick up from home. Users can track their donated items so they no longer need to worry where their item goes. Users can review their past donation history. In the user profile, users can track for the fundraise project and the award they have earned. There's also a leaderboard in the app where users can see the ranking of donations. For the own badges, they have a big use in our future planning.
All the system shall be Ethereum. All donations received on the Ethereum blockchain can be recorded on the blockchain using smart contracts. Recording donations on the blockchain ensures that the transaction is transparent and immutable, in order to prevent fraud and to ensure that all transactions are free from any external tampering. Solidity will then be used to write the smart contract for Ethereum. A donation smart contract can be created using the Ethereum blockchain to receive donations from donors, and the contract term can be set according to our needs. As for the application itself, we shall integrate the blockchain into Flutter, along with the use of Web3.js API to create the blockchain-based app.
Eloes will not only stop at refugee. For future expansion, we will expand the field of donation. For example, environment issue, orphanage, medical expenses, and so on. There will also be a reward system with the platform can have collaboration with different parties. The donor will earn points for each donation, and the points can be used to redeem vouchers like KFC coupon.